marry me?
I'm a nerd. I'm William. Hey, y'all. I'm William.
Oh, yay. You're my wife. No, you're not.
Oh, no, William is dead. Why did you tap me? Not her.
I'm a wrestler.
No, this imposter. I'm a nerd because I'm William.
No, you're not.
William's a nerd.
No, he's not. William, you're not a nerd. Because I know you're going to watch this. You're not.
Dude, your hair.